Good day to you from me, BernieB in Hamilton's. Today I'm going to show you how we do a limestone wall. Now, limestone is a product that gives you a mottle on a wall and it's applied in a crisscross manner. And what's behind me on the wall is limestone. So it comes in numerous colors. How we do limestone is we put a base coat on, which is more or less the top coat's color, just so that we get good coverage. So we apply one nice coat of our base color, which is a matte acrylic PVA. It's tinted more or less to the top color. We let that dry for 2 to 4 hours. Then we apply the limestone using Hamilton's fiberglass brush. Important, the fiberglass brush is of importance. That is the only brush to use for this application. But let me show you how we go about doing limestone on a feature wall.
Okay, please, step one, mask everything up. Round light switches, plug sockets, your skirtings, your cornices, and a nice drop sheet, please, because limestone can be a little messy when applying it in this crisscross manner. Once masked up and drop sheets are down, I'm going to apply the base coat for limestone, which, like I said, it's a color that's tinted more or less to the limestone color. If you don't do this, you're going to need many coats of limestone, and you don't want that. So I'm now just painting the wall with the base coat for limestone. Around light switches, cutting in everywhere. Once you've done the cutting in, then rolling is easy. Okay, I'm using Hamilton's polypile roller. I've washed the roller under the tap first and squeezed it all out. It's kind of, as I said in the past, priming your roller. So I've washed it, dried it out. I'm now going to roll with the polypile roller from Hamilton's, the base coat of limestone. And this color has been tinted accordingly. So one nice coat. And we're going to leave that first coat to dry for about 4 hours before we start crisscrossing our limestone. And it's just one nice coat. It must just cover the wall and look reasonably good. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just one nice coat of your matte PVA base coat for the limestone.
Hamilton's fiberglass brush. I load just one side of the brush, pretty much like that. Take it under, bring it down, and then turn the brush and work it out. That's all that we're pretty much doing. Loading one side, coming in a crisscross manner, crisscrosses. Loading one side, bringing it down, working the product out.
So the limestone paint is a uniquely formulated acrylic paint which has that look and feel of recently quarried limestone. Limestone paint is used indoors only, and it must go on a previously painted surface. And limestone paint may also be used on timber surfaces as long as you got the right primer. I took this view of me crisscrossing from a different angle so you can see the crisscrosses are quite prominent. And only one person should do the limestone because we all have a different type of crisscross patterning.
Okay, so the first coat of limestone has been done. We leave it for at least 4 hours to dry. I like to do a crisscross coat a day between the coats, and then we're done. So you can see it's looking pretty good. So I'm quite chuffed. So until tomorrow, we'll put on the second coat.
Okay, and there we go with the second coat. Earthcoat limestone is available at Paintsmith stores and available in a vast variety of colors. From me, BernieB, thank you so much for watching this video. Please watch our other videos, subscribe and like.